YouTube, man? Hey, I'm back at it again with another video, man. Hey, first real type of specific video, you know. I'm gonna be talking. So, I'm gonna be fixing my car today with a little bit of help for some pops. You feel me? If you ain't know, I had got a little fender bender a while ago or whatever. It's all good, though. That was probably about 3 months ago. I got a ticket. Found too closely and called my insurance. So the accident wasn't too bad. So I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. So I'm gonna set up everything and I'm gonna just talk y'all through how we fixing it. You feel me? So hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment on this, and subscribe to the channel, man. Almost close to 2K. So let's run it up, baby. For sure. See y'all. Alright. Check me out. I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking. Like I said, it's not too bad. See, we got this popping up. And then when I hit the hood, and then this little crack. So basically the hood and the bumper and the grill gotta get replaced. So it shouldn't take us that long to get it done. But of course, you know, the inside's forever clean, you know what I'm saying? Cause nobody, I don't really have nobody that rob me like that. Bro, it be so hard to sleep. I got these clips in my head. Oh yeah, and I can't be out past a certain night. I got this progressive shit. So with that shit, cause my damn insurance too high, bro. Through the motherfucking roof. So like, I think I want to say 11 to like 12 o'clock. I can't be out. Like 11 to like, I think it's 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. I can't be out driving with that shit. I can go get her down, you know what I'm saying, hot car and slide that bitch. But a motherfucking driving this shit with that, fuck no. Fuck all that, fuck out there, bitch. Damn, boy. This shit here gonna probably take about an hour. To fully get that bit right. And I already did my hair last night, so braids kinda sound sleepy. But yeah, I mean the parts came in too, so it's the damn hood. It's big as fuck. Yeah, the bumper and the grill, and then I think it's a little box with the clips in it. Should be. I think I already put it out here already. But I'm gonna get everything right. So I'll see y'all in a few. Hey. Pop said he didn't want to be in the video, but I'm gonna try to, you know what I'm saying, show y'all what we're working with so far. This the old bumper right here, but you see how damaged this shit is. Oh, that crazy, man. You feel me? But yeah, man, coming together. The turbo, major. But yeah, coming out pretty good. Tight. Just the bumper right here. So we locked the tune, you feel me? The bumper, all that good stuff. And this the old grill. You see, I had to do damages right there. You know what I'm saying? It's cool to with a little help. We're gonna get back right. Finna get the heat gun. You know what I'm saying? But that turbo really hit. That turbo hit different, young. I'm telling you. Soup that bitch up a little bit. That'd be right. New bag, I got that a while ago. But for the most part, the engine itself looked pretty clean. But them tools we used it did. But I'm probably finna go get me something to eat in a minute, boy, cause woke up, brush my teeth was, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even eat yet. So I'm probably finna eat in a few, cause the nigga is getting hungry. But yeah. But how y'all been though, man? It's been a minute. I just been grinding, you know. But this been happening a while ago. I said something about it on my reaction videos if y'all on there. But other than that shit, I just been chilling, man. That's all you can do. Just grind. Cause one day I'm gonna go binge. That binge video, I'm gonna make that happen for real. Like no rap count. That shit gonna be hard. Trust. And now with the progression, I can't hit the gas. I know, boy, hit the gas. You know what I'm saying? I can't even do that no more. So, that's all the cooling I bet. I'm probably gonna give me some to eat in a minute, man. Alright. Alright. Move this out now. Alright.
How you doing? Yep.
Alright, bro. We done ran into some technical difficulties. So the bumper I got is not actually gloss black. It's freaking pine black. So with the car and the black, it's gonna look different. No, I'm just recording this right here right quick. Just give them a little update.
Oh, okay.
So this the wrong thing. So we just gonna put this on there and just thug it out. Ain't gonna do too much. Try to spray paint it. Try at least get a little bit close, but even with that in the black, it don't look too bad. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the dilemma that's going on right now, man. So I see y'all in a few. And with the new, out with the old overtime.
Yeah. Same thing with that, huh?
Same thing with this. Well, good thing it's starting to get kind of hot.
Yeah. That's good for us.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think it's the one that was like warped.
What's that?
Cause like it don't like just fit on there, like push on fit.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be holding it.
Yeah.
So we got that little star thing on it.
Mhm.
Yeah, got that one.
Yeah, that match up right there.
That's it.
Alright, there, man. Yes, sir, ski.
With the old and with the new.
Yes, sir.
You left the plastic on there?
No, I had to take it off.
Oh. Because if you was gonna paint it, you could left the plastic on there and just, you know what I'm saying?
Where's I think I still got the plaster right
Yeah.
there. Let me put it.
You don't have to worry about getting
Alright.
paint on it. Excuse me.
Everything coming together a little bit. So the clutch fit in there?
They fitting.
Alright. But boy, man, when I tell y'all it's a fight with this dang bumper right here, man. Morphed out, all type of stuff. Like, I kind of knew it was kind of suspect, you know, when you open the box, it was like rolled up like a cinnamon stick or something like that. And oh, so I'm like, man, what is this? This time we're gonna grab the heat gun, probably putting some heat to it, start getting right. But then the right side want to trip out.
You got something else going on over there.
Boy, I'm glad I'm not no mechanic, boy.
I think these two screws, that's the screws, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got a lot more. I'm gonna have to reuse some of the others.
Alright.
I'm gonna have to reuse some of these too.
It did what it did.
Alright. Oh, we gotta put the rectal on too.
To my the top piece?
Yeah, we gotta put all that stuff on first.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta put that on first before we go any further.
So now, so you talking about this? You talking about the silver piece, right?
Yeah, that goes. Yeah.
All right. So we got the silver piece,
This is the grill.
the grill. Yes, sir.
Put the grill on there. Open it up. See what we got.
Make sure that ain't tweaked out, boy. Boy, shit might be cold. This the other little pieces.
Yeah. This is that phone color.
What was the previous one? Yeah, it look about the same.
Yeah, I mean, that ain't painted either.
Yeah.
That ain't painted. So we can leave this plastic on here.
Yeah.
Cause if you paint that one, you ain't gotta worry about painting that on this phone.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Well, these that chrome look new, you know.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Why you just can't get the bumper right, bro? And the hood, because the hood is not painted either, so I will be returning that. I already put in the claim.
So you know the clips go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips, right? 7. 7 clips going now. 1, 2. Okay, this is a close clip up there. The plastic off a little bit just to get the clip. All right. You got this one here? Yep. Let me see if it's open. Let me see if it's open first. It's all the way open. Get up on the bottom of it. Now the rest of it looking.
Alright.
Is that one in over there, Tony?
You probably will get it in from your side. Look at you, man.
Can't go no further than that.
Nah, it's like all that stuff kind of like.
The form it look like.
Yeah, yeah, it is kind of form like this side, like. Damn, shit, man. Maybe feeling this out.
Yeah, they did. They should for real.
I'm leaving one. I'm putting the can, leaving a 1-star review.
Yeah.
I'm like, do not order this. It's terrible.
Terrible. Guaranteed to fit, huh?
All right.
That's what they tell you.
They be buying reviewers on that, bro. There's like good fit, got me back.
Got me back right.
Got me back right. Man, y'all paid for those, man. Them box.
Yeah. That's all right, yeah. They sent me this much fight.
Ah.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, okay. This thing.
Yeah, it's kind of deformed.
Yeah. Cause this piece is right. That's right.
Yeah,
this is the thing
it's
that
that.
ain't right. So it's
Think I probably more heat to it? Yeah, that's just deformed, man. Still.
It is. And then this piece here, I guess it'll be straight once you
Yeah.
put the things in it, but we gotta get this in there first. Let's see something. I'm gonna do it at the same time. Sound like it clicked in.
It's hard, yeah. It's like it's going in and coming out.
Oh, like it ain't holding it. Let me see something. Push again. Just one more time.
I think you
slide that down. Slide it down a little bit. There you go. Oh, dang. So maybe got to get this one in there. Good fit. And this one got to go too. So all of them got to be kind of in the vicinity.
Yeah, it's like everything go in, but then you got this one coming out, this one coming out. Every time
you want to go ahead
and I tell y'all,
it ain't holding.
This right here, some BS right here, man. Find this for a minute. But that's how I was looking so far. It look kind of crazy, but it is what it is, man. eBay.
Yeah, go ahead and look at it.
But dang, like, and then we still trying to fight with getting these clips in all the way across.
And you know what? We ain't even put that rubber piece on.
Ah, yeah, I think that rubber piece, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we just put it on. It's all good. It's messing with this thing, boy, how you mind all over the place.
That rubber got to go.
Yeah.
Like this, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The rubber got to go like this. So we got to be on top of that. So that takes all them out.
Yeah.
That'll be right.
That probably might give it a little extra cushion to stick in there.
Yeah, because that last one goes right now. So I got to take these back out.
That crazy, man.
This shit is too hard.
Yeah. This video got all the most challenging things out the way.
Yeah.
Dang, what? Man, was it a fight? It was a fight.
Still not done.
Gotta get it right. Make sure all the pieces ain't coming out.
Where that piece at?
These right here. No, that been in the grass, I think.
Yeah.
I did hear it.
I need that piece too.
Is it this?
This look. No, it look like this. So keep this piece right here. There's a screw over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't that gotta go on too? Yeah, that gotta go back on too.
Yup. I think that going like last.
Dang. This thing popped. It said boop, boop, boop.
It flew and...
There it is.
Oh. Good eye. Flew out of space.
Where was that at? Let's get that piece.
I think...
That piece go like it go like something like that, yeah.
Yeah, kind of this.
Yeah. Yep.
That might go on top of that rubber.
Was it on top of the rubber? Or underneath the rubber? On top? Okay.
Yeah.
On top of the rubber. got the whole, we got lined up, man. Right now. Like that.
Yeah. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Take this one out.
This shit is like.
Dang. Get the head on
Man, this piece still keep.
Dang it.
Sometimes if you want to act up, it's all good.
This one's gonna be destroyed, I guess.
Like you said, always that one.
It's always that one.
Don't want to act up.
Act the hell up.
Oh, yeah, she's showing not tonight.
Dang. For real. Dang, bro.
Send her back home. Oh yeah, that's gonna get him out.
It shouldn't be like this, man. We shouldn't
This
be
is
fighting this stuff like this.
it shouldn't be like that. Man.
Aftermarket nasty parts.
Well, it's like there's somebody who run that aftermarket part making this stuff in their garage.
Ain't no telling.
Because the way we get in right here, boy.
This stuff working, man. Shit, it might be.
Dang. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all, man. I'm getting close. We getting there. Stay tuned. All right, this it right here. Final touch, you can see
Finished product.
the finished product.
Or
But more of the story, the hood didn't get changed because the hood that I bought wasn't painted. The bumper, you can see, is not painted. And the bumper was deformed, so it's causing like little small gaps. But hey, it is what it is because it still look pretty decent enough, you know what I'm saying? But that right there was a fight.
yeah.
Me and Sally, boy, we was.
Tag team. Tag team.
Alright. Got that joker done, man. It was a fight. Sally had to create it on hold just to put the Honda Civic in, because I already know if I'm driving around and I don't got no Honda Civic, somebody gonna try to rip, then I gotta cook you. You know what I'm saying? Cause I already know y'all like to have jokes, so we had to make sure that Honda Civic was in there. But yeah, that's it. I'm finna go in the house. I ain't finna look at this car probably the rest of the day unless I go to the store, bro. So hope y'all enjoyed this little video right here, man. Another vlog coming soon. So make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.